Gabukas gini ang wings niya dahil mga ganun.
Siyempre camping yan.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to General Santos International Airport. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
Go Landy.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phone is strictly prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you didn't leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Unas and First Officer Ganuelas, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly with you more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific.
Sa Jensen.
We're here now!
At muli po naming pinapalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dali ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Para po sa ating panauhin, nangangailangan ng karagdagang tulong tulad ng wheelchair, kayo po ay huling bababa gamit ang unang pintuan lamang. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsunod.
Go Landy.
Ganyan.
Di siya natakot sa kapil siya.
Sigambal.
Cabin crew disarm doors for arrival and cross-check.
This is our cabin crew safety related procedure. Please remain seated, manatili munang nakaupo.
Dikit na, dumikit na.